Good morning, Year 3. Welcome to your Thursday maths lesson. Just check you've got your math book, a sharp pencil and a ruler with you today. Okay, we've got the date and LO on this slide, so can you copy that into your book, underline it with a ruler and complete the activities below. Pause the video. Well done. Okay, so today we're going to be adding money. So let's get our brains warmed up. Number one, how much money is there? Do you remember how it's really handy if we count the pounds first? 2, 3 pounds. There's 3 pounds. And now I'm going to count the pence. 50, 60, 70, 75p. Tick that if you got it right. Question 2, what is £1 more than £5 and 42p? Well, £1 more would be £6 and 42p. Question 3 says, what is £2 more than that amount? Well, it would be £7 and 42p. Tick those if you got them correct. Well done. Okay, pop your pencil down for the moment. We've got a listening slide. Today we're adding money, so we're going to come across some whole part models. We've got one on the screen here. Now, on this whole part model, we've got the whole part here, and we've got 2 smaller parts on this occasion. Now, because this part is missing, the whole bit is missing, that's the bit we need to find. We need to add these 2 amounts together to find that missing amount. We want to find the total. So we're going to use the STEM sentence here to help us with our maths today. The first one says, first add pounds. So let's have a look at these 2 little parts and see if we can spot the pounds. I've found 2 there, another one, that's 3, and that's 4. So I've added the pounds, so I know in this whole part it's going to have £4 and something. Then add the pence. Let's have a look at the pence now. So I've got 50, 60, 70, and then 3 ones. So I've got £4 and 73p. That is my total. So on questions like this today, first add the pounds, then add the pence. If it's helpful for you to say that to yourself, please do that now. First add the pounds, then add the pence. Okay, I'd like you to have a go at one of these now. Pause the video. You don't need to write the whole part model, just write the total in your book. Pause the video, do that now. Okay, you should have first added the pounds. So let's have a look. Where have we got pounds in these parts? I've got 2 here, and I've got a note on this occasion, and the note represents pounds. So I'm going to count that in my pounds. So I've got £5 and £2. That totals £7. I've also got some pence. So, and then add the pence. So I've got 20 and 20, that's 40, and 2 other 5s, that makes 10. So I've got 40, I've got 50p. Tick it if you got it right. If you got it wrong, have a think about what went wrong on yours. That's okay. Okay, pop your pencils down again. This is a listening slide. Whitney buys some apples, pears and bananas. And we can see in the picture what they cost. We need to find how much does Whitney spend in total. So on this question, it's almost like having 3 little parts, isn't it? We've got to find the total. Our 3 steps are really going to help us work this out. Step number 1, first add the pounds. So if I have a look at each price tag, I can see there are some pounds there. I've got a £1, £1 and £1. 3 £1 make £3. Nice and easy maths for us. Then add the pence. So I'm going to look back to my price tags and see what the pence are. When I've added all those three amounts together, I've got 95p. Right, step number 3. Finally, add both totals together. I don't really need to do any maths for this part because I just need to look at these totals and I know that Whitney spends £3.95 in total. Okay, keep listening. This time, Jack is selling some things he no longer needs. He's got a few items here on the screen. He's selling these items. Now, Amir wants to buy some of those things from Jack, and he wants to buy the rugby ball, which is £2.60, and the panda, which is £3.50. We've got to find out how much does Amir spend all together. So we're going to work through our steps here to help us answer this question. So just listening and thinking. First, add the pounds. I can see the panda costs £3 something and the rugby ball costs £2 something. And I know that 3 plus 2 is going to be £5. Yeah. Then add the pence. So the pence here, I've got 50p and 60p. Let me show you what that looks like. It's the other way around actually, but we can see we've got 50p and we've got 60p. We need to add these together. Have you spotted something here? I've spotted we've got two 50p's we're adding together, and I know that two 50p's make £1. So I've got another £1 coin there, haven't I? Another value of £1. So actually, if I'm adding all this together, I've actually got £6. And what have I got left in this amount? And 10p left. So Amir is going to be spending £6 and 10p on the two items he'd like to buy. Okay, I'd like you to have a go at one of these now. How much does Ron spend? Ron wants to buy the bucket and spade and the train toy. Follow the steps here and find the pounds to help you. Pause the video, off you go. Okay, now I will reveal the answers. So first we add the pounds. £2 and £1 is £3. Then we add the pence. 50p and 90p. I've drawn the coins out here to show you, but there were two 50p's again, and that totals £1, doesn't it? So actually we've got another £1 coin there, and then we've got our two 20p's as well. So Ron actually spends £4 and 40p. Tick it if you got it correct. If you didn't get this one correct, it might be worth you drawing the coins out when you get in a question like this again. Perhaps you didn't do that this time. Perhaps drawing coins out in your book would be helpful for you. Okay, another listing slide. Now, Rosie wants to buy a slice of pizza and a drink, and they've got the prices next to them. And she's wondering if she has enough money. She's got a £5 note. And these prices here aren't the easiest, are they, to calculate with? I just want to show you something. If Rosie converted her note to coins, we can see she'd have £5 coins, wouldn't she? That's the same amount. She'd have £5 coins instead. Now, if we look at these prices here, the first price says £2.70. Well, 70p is almost another £1, isn't it? So we know that this the price of this pizza is going to be almost £3 in total. So that would be 3 of her pound coins, wouldn't it? And if we have a look at this drink, the price is £1.99, which is very almost £2. So if we popped 2 of those coins over there, would she have enough? Yes, she would have enough. She's got 5 £1 coins to spend, and these items would be almost £5, so she would have enough. Now, I'm just going to show you a really simple way of adding these two costs together, because at the moment they look tricky to add together, but we can do something to make it lots easier for us, especially when you've got 99p within one of the costs. So we want to calculate what is £2.70 add £1.99. So what we're going to do, just listen carefully, what we're going to do is we're going to take a penny from this part and we're going to add it to this part. And you might be thinking, why are we taking a penny over? Well, if we take a penny over, we're going to make that 99, we're going to make it 100. And we know that 100 pence is the same as a pound. So it makes this part very easy for us to calculate. So those two prices would become £2.69, and this price would become £2, wouldn't it? That's a really nice easy price, and that makes it really easy for us to add them together. What is £2.69 add £2? £4.69. Really simple. So when you have a cost which has 99p in there, some of you might get onto those questions later, transfer over a penny to make it a whole figure, to make it a pound, and that will help your maths a lot, make it a lot easier for you. So for this one, I'd like you to have a little go at one of these. Just have a little go. If you're finding this a bit tricky, you might not actually get onto these questions later, but have a little try. So we can see up here the one that I've just done. So I had a cost of £2.70, and I had a cost of £1.99, didn't I? And I transferred over the penny, and this is my new calculation. Can you see how I've taken a penny off here and I've added it into this amount? And then I've got a really nice easy total. So I'd like you to have a go at one of these. I'd like you to have a go at this one. At the moment, the cost is £2.20 for the first item and £3.99 for the second item. I'd like to see if you can write this part into your book, okay? What is the cost going to be here, having transferred over that penny, because we've got 99p here? Yeah, so pause the video, see if you can fill out what's going to go in those spaces. Use my example at the top of the screen to help you. Pause the video now. Okay, well done. So if we transferred over that penny, our £3.99 here would actually become £4. And over on this side, we'd then have 1p less, wouldn't we? We'd have £2.19, wouldn't we? So the total would then be very simple. Not £2. The total would then be £6.19. Makes it very simple for us, doesn't it? Right, now it's your turn to have a go at your activity. So get your pencil ready. I'm going to flick through the slides. Pause after each one. Off you go. And now we're going to do the answers. So make sure you're marking your work nice and neatly, please, for me. Well done today, everybody. Super work. Please upload it on Dojo, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.